So we're here at Rocky Mountain House with the finished project, aging in place bathroom. We were brought on board this job to accommodate down the road a handicapped client with the idea that they would have access with a wheelchair. So we have a walk-in tub, and some handy storage next to it. Here's one of the vanities. We put the light fixtures into the mirror. Moving over to the other vanity, they requested that they could have one vanity with access for a wheelchair. So with the doors, they can sink back into the cabinetry and be out of the way, so someone can sit there and use the wash basin. Moving on to the shower, with some neat little grab bars and toilet roll holders so you can grab onto it above it. Wall hung toilets and a neat towel rail, and then a cool shower with a fold down bench. All the grab bars are working for people with disabilities. You can hang on to it, and also for where you can put your soap, you can hang on to the top of the soap dish. With the toilet, they requested a modesty board, so we put in another piece of glass there just to give it a little bit of privacy behind the toilet. So yeah, this is our Rocky Mountain project complete. We hope you like it.